So let's talk about the gas system in your caravan, motorhome or your camper van. Now the first thing to do is locate where your gas is actually stored. Now on a camper van it may be built into the kitchen unit, but on this motorhome it's easy to find, external locker door with a gas symbol on the front. Now before we go inside, let's talk about the different types of gas you can use. Traditionally there are two main types in the UK. We have a blue butane and a red propane. Now the butane is good for temperatures down to 2 degrees. Propane, however, if you tend to tour year round, is good down to -40, which I think is what today feels like to me. But if you need to change a bottle, how do you do it? And that's what we're going to cover next. Right, to undo the locker door, make sure these are unlocked. Push both buttons in and then you open the door. Now you can fit 2 bottles in this particular leisure vehicle. There's only one in here at the moment, but we'll go through the steps to take to actually turn it off and use the gas system. So let's say, for example, this bottle's empty. I have my handy gas spanner with me. First thing to do is just to make sure it's turned off. Now it's a proper lefty-loosey, righty-tighty situation here, so I'm turning it clockwise and that's now off. Secondly, we take the gas spanner. It's a left-handed thread. The amount of times I've been stuck before when I first started caravanning, I couldn't remember which way it went. It's left-handed thread. If it has a notch in the nut, it means it undoes the other way. It's the opposite of a lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So to undo it, it's clockwise. Just crack the nut. And then we keep unscrewing, and that should be the gas hose disconnected. So with the gas bottle off and the hose disconnected, we just need to undo this strap. So it pulls out of there, and then all you can do is simply lift the gas bottle out, and then you're ready to put your new one in. So when you buy your new bottle of gas, it will likely have a plastic stopper. So we just remove that by unscrewing it, and then we can lift the gas bottle into the locker. Now we'll have an area to locate. There's some feet in there. And with the strap secured, you can then do up the gas hose. Now don't forget, this does up anti-clockwise. Then we get the gas spanner, just snug it up. And then you can turn your gas on and it's ready to use. So just a few pointers about your gas system. Make sure your gas bottle is turned off on the valve on the top before you travel. And if you aren't getting any gas to your appliances inside and the gas is turned on when you're on site, just check the manifold that's normally under the kitchen. You'll see it should be marked with fridge, cooker, etc. Just make sure that each valve is on for each appliance.